Hey guys, it's Shane, and today I want to talk about how to pack out your next open house. So, how can you use open houses to get more leads in this market? Many agents don't bother with open houses, but a packed open house will help you make tons of contacts with people who are looking to make a move soon. If you master the art of an open house, you can turn one home sale into tons of high quality leads. So let's talk about 3 tips to help you pack out your open houses and to take your business to the next level. First, let's pick the right time. Generally speaking, the weekend is the best time to host an open house since most people won't be that busy. Sunday is usually the choice of most agents. However, we have found the perfect day of the week actually to be Saturday. Next, let's pick the right time of day. If your client is in an urban area, in the city, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. is usually the best time, while those living outside the outskirts of town, possibly 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. to maximize traffic. Next, market like a pro. Dedicate yourself to marketing the event everywhere you can. MLS, Facebook, your blog, your database, Instagram, TikTok, door-to-door around the property where you're holding the open house. When you create a Facebook page for the event or send out emails, make sure that you're including professional photos of the house to grab the most buyers' attention. Finally, physical signs in your client's neighborhood will make it easy for people to find the property, even if they're just passing through on a whim. Whatever you do not cut corners when it comes to your signs. You need to distribute at least 25 or more signs and directionals in all directions. Remember, no matter how many people know you're having an open house, if they can't find it, they won't show up. Last but not least, network. Your primary goal for the open house should be to provide value to your client, but that doesn't mean you can't create some opportunities for more leads. Most people who are looking to buy a home also have a property to sell. So talk to the attendees and let them know that you work with both buyers and sellers. Just adding people to your database can eventually turn into closed business. If you have any other questions or you'd like to take a deeper dive on how to set up the right open house to create a ton of traffic, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself here at BrickDriven Realty. Thanks so much for watching, and please like and share our videos. Take care.